What's up guys, in today's video I want to take a look at the Mech Factor JiSi Brick Puzz 3D motorcycle that you can design with your kids or on your own. Everything is actually working together as one, including these pistons in the engine as well, so which is super cool. Here's some other Brick series items that you can get. All right, so here is the final result. We did end up with some extra pieces here. So if you happen to break your chains, well, you got a couple of pieces, and then we've got a couple of extra parts in here as well in case you were to break them, like things like these pivots. Now you also have an extra sticker set, so instead of using the Exploitune, you can just put the 88 on there, but I just decided to match what we have in the picture. This stands up because of this right here. So if you want to lift this up when you're playing with it, you can. I love the details, like the pipes. Now, in terms of the actual difficulty level, I would say it's up there. A kid that's 6+ probably would not be able to do this on their own. It definitely took me a couple of hours to do this, and I actually made 3 big mistakes where I had to roll back all the way to step 19 in order to fix it, and that was actually one of the gears right in the dead center, that black gear right there, right, that one in the center there. That's step 19, and I actually totally missed it. But once everything is actually working, you can see that everything is actually working together as one. So if I turn this, everything is actually turning, which is super cool. See, everything, and including these pistons in the engine as well. So if you look really closely, you can actually see those pistons right there. Those guys actually move as well. Let's see if I can, you see that? They're actually pumping. Oh, that is awesome. So, and of course, as always, the whole point of this is to see if this is actually workable. So yeah, you see, you can obviously use this as a toy and play with this. So that's kind of cool and neat as well. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you're interested in getting this or any other Puzz 3D toys, look in the description. We here at Unboxing Army have created an interactive flip book where you can see toys that we recommend. They're sort of similar like this, and other projects that you and your kids, or even you yourself on your own, can do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Mech Factor JiSi Bricks 6+ Aegis Puzz 3D